Jetboil Genesis Basecamp. The Jetboil Genesis Basecamp is a high-powered propane stove that is perfect for camping, backpacking, and overlanding. It features a dual-burner design that allows it to function as a standalone camping stove or couple with other Jetlink-compatible stoves or the lunar satellite burner to create an outdoor cooking range. The system also includes a 5-liter Jetboil flux ring camping pot with a strainer lid and 10-inch ceramic-coated non-stick frying pan, giving you everything you need to cook up a great meal while outdoors. With its beastly 10,000 BTU heating system, the Jetboil Genesis Basecamp can boil water in just over 3 minutes, perfect for melting snow or making coffee on the go. Jetboil is one of the most popular camping stove brands on the market, and for very good reason. Their stoves are simple to use, reliable, and very efficient. The Jetboil Genesis Basecamp is their newest model, and it's the perfect option for anyone looking for a versatile and easy-to-use camping stove. The Basecamp features 2 independent burners, allowing you to cook multiple dishes at once. It also has a spacious cooking area and a variety of convenient accessories, making it ideal for meal prep and cleanup. Plus, the integrated windscreen ensures that your flame stays lit even in windy conditions. With all of these great features, the Jetboil Genesis Basecamp is the perfect choice for anyone who loves to camp and cook outdoors. Stansport 2 Burner Regulated Propane Stove. Stansport's 2 Burner Regulated Propane Stove is a great choice for anyone who needs a compact, portable stove that can be used indoors or outdoors. This stove features 2 10,000 BTU burners, which provide plenty of cooking power. The stove also has an adjustable heat control knob, so you can choose the perfect temperature for your meal. The stove is easy to set up and use, and it folds flat for easy storage. If you're looking for a versatile, lightweight stove that can go anywhere, the Stansport 2 Burner Regulated Propane Stove is a great option. Stansport brings you an easy-to-use and reliable stove that is perfect for your next camping trip. The Stansport 2 Burner Regulated Propane Stove provides 2 10,000 BTU burners that can be regulated with independent control valves. Durable steel construction ensures longevity, while the included piezoelectric ignition system makes it easy to get started. This compact and lightweight stove is easy to transport, and it comes with a carrying case for added convenience. Whether you're cooking for a large group or just need an extra burner, the Stansport 2 Burner Regulated Propane Stove has you covered. The Stansport 2 Burner Regulated Propane Stove is a great choice for anyone who needs a portable, lightweight stove that is easy to set up and use. This stove is ideal for camping, tailgating, or any other outdoor activity where you need to be able to cook meals quickly and efficiently. The 2 burners provide plenty of cooking space, and the temperature can be easily regulated thanks to the built-in thermostat. Plus, the Stansport stove is made from durable material that can withstand repeated use. So if you're looking for a versatile and reliable stove, the Stansport 2 Burner Regulated Propane Stove is a great option. Eureka Ignite Portable Camping Stove. If you're looking for a reliable, portable stove to take camping, look no further than the Eureka Ignite. This little stove is easy to set up and use, and it's sturdy enough to handle any cooking challenge you might encounter while out in the wild. Plus, it's small enough to pack easily into your car or backpack, making it the perfect choice for any camping trip. So, what makes the Eureka Ignite so great? First, it's made with durable materials that can withstand the rigors of camping life. The stove body is made of stainless steel and the legs are made of tough aluminum. This means that your stove will be able to handle whatever you throw at it, whether it's boiling water for coffee or frying up a pan of bacon. Another great feature of the Eureka Ignite is its easy-to-use design. The stovetop igniter makes starting a fire quick and easy, and the built-in windshield ensures that your flame will stay lit no matter what conditions you're cooking in. Plus, the Eureka Ignite comes with a carrying case, so you can easily pack it up and take it with you wherever you go. So if you're looking for a portable stove that can handle anything you throw at it, the Eureka Ignite is a perfect choice. It's durable and easy to use, and it comes with everything you need to make your next camping trip a success. The Eureka Ignite portable camping stove is one of the best on the market for a variety of reasons. First, it's made of high-quality materials like stainless steel and tough aluminum that can withstand a lot of wear and tear. Second, it has an easy-to-use design with a stovetop igniter and a built-in windshield. Finally, it comes with a carry case for easy transport. If you're looking for a durable, easy-to-use and portable camping stove, the Eureka Ignite is a perfect choice. Gas1's GS-3400P. Gas1's GS-3400P dual-fuel camping stove is a great choice for anyone looking for a versatile and reliable stove. This stove can run on either propane or butane, making it a great choice for both backyard cookouts and camping trips. The stove also features a piezo ignition system, so you'll always be able to get your fire started quickly and easily. Plus, the GS-3500P comes with a carrying case, so you can take it with you wherever you go. If you're in the market for a new camping stove, then you should definitely check out the GS1's GS-3500P. The dual-fuel stove is perfect for campers who like to be prepared for anything. It runs on both propane and butane, so you'll always have a fuel source, no matter where you are. And the best part is that it's extremely portable, so you can take it with you wherever you go. So whether you're cooking for a large group or just looking for a dependable stove for your next camping trip, the Gas1 GS-3400P is a solid contender. Coleman Gas Camping Stove Classic. Coleman Gas Camping Stove Classic is one of the most trusted camping stove models out there. Coleman has been around for over 100 years, so they know a thing or two about making quality gear. This particular model is a classic Coleman gas stove, meaning it runs on Coleman fuel. It's a great choice for those who want a simple, no-frills camping stove that they can rely on. Coleman stoves are known for their durability, and this one is no different. It's built to last and can handle any type of weather condition. Whether you're cooking in the heat of the summer or the cold of winter, this stove will get the job done. Coleman Gas Camping Stove Classic is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable, durable camping stove. Coleman Gas Camping Stove Classic is the perfect stove for your next camping trip. It is Coleman's classic camping stove, and it has been updated with a new look. This stove has 2 adjustable burners with a maximum BTU of 10,000 and also has a matchless ignition for easy startups and is fueled by Coleman liquid fuel or unleaded gasoline. The Coleman Gas Camping Stove Classic is made of steel and aluminum and weighs 6.4 pounds. When you're ready to head out on your next adventure, make sure to take this classic but a very reliable stove with you.